Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I make fast, easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. So today we're going to be making a stuffed chicken recipe that's so oozy and juicy. So stay tuned till the end when I try it in front of you guys for the first time. It's that healthy-ish you don't want to miss. Let's get cooking, guys. I have 3 chicken cutlet pieces or chicken breast, and I'm just going to simply cut them into 2 just by kind of pulling the knife outwards against the chicken. So you want to take it flat like that, and then you're going to pound them out, and I'm going to continue doing it to the rest of them. Lay it nice and flat, and then you're going to take a little bit of your delicious mixture, okay, and put it right down, and then you're going to just tuck and roll the chicken up, and then you're going to skew it with some toothpicks so it'll stay together when cooking, and I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to put them down to get seared, and then we're going to finish it up in the oven. Hi, I'm back. All right, so I seared these babies, and you're going to finish them off in the oven for about 10-15 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. So I'm going to cut it from an aerial view so you guys can see the inside of this amazingly delicious stuffed chicken, guys. It just smells perfect. Now to try it. That's good. Wow. First of all, you guys know I get stressed over food all the time. I genuinely get stressed. The feta is so tart. It's like a beautiful tart. Because it's stuffed with onions and spinach, it keeps the inside of the chicken nice and moist. Because you know how white meat, sometimes it gets a little dry. This doesn't do it. It is a perfect recipe. Guys, it took me 10 minutes literally to make. Put it in the oven, and I walked away. I took a shower, got ready, easy. You guys can make this in no time at all. And thank you so much, guys, as always, for watching my channel. And if you haven't already, comment, share to your friends, like, and most of all, subscribe, baby, so I can make more channels. You ready for 4 hugs with hugs? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And the last one is so tight for you guys. Alright, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next time with Cooking with Hugs. Bye! Mwah!